Assalamualaikum viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel. Once again I am back with a new vlog and it's kind of a food review, a restaurant review vlog. So friends, today I am going to review Al Johra restaurant, Turkish and Bukhari restaurant, which is located in Bata Quraish, Makkah. It is typically a Turkish restaurant with Arabic touch. It also contains a few dishes, few variety of Pakistani dishes, Pakistani cuisine. Friends, this is how the restaurant looks from the outside. In case you are going for it and searching it, you want to visit it, this is how it looks from the outside. Now without wasting any further time, let's go inside and see how does it looks from the inside. So friends, this is the inside look, the inside view of this restaurant. As you can see, it is 10 on 10. Great ambience, great decoration, great interior. Everything was so on point, so beautifully well maintained. It was such a beautiful, amazing, neat and clean place. I highly recommend you to visit this place. As you can see, these are the beautiful sitting areas in the restaurant, and then there are these hidden spaces where families can enjoy their meal, sit and relax. And then there is outside this open area for gents to enjoy their food. So it's kind of a partition. There is not separate entrance for family, but there is a partition and family can enjoy and eat their food. So now friends, let me take you to the best part of this restaurant. The best part was that you can see all, like literally you can see everything which is going on in the kitchen. This here is the dessert and the smoothies area. You can see, you can choose from here what you want to eat, and then again to the sitting area, and these are the starters and the salads and the appetizers. You can see how fresh everything looks, how tempting, how tasty everything looks. And as you can see, there is a view to the kitchen. You can see how they are cooking and processing the food. Then there are the fruits, the fresh fruits for smoothies, for cocktails, for juices. And then there are these sheiks, kebabs, chomps, and everything literally you can choose from here, and they will cook in front of you. And that's what I call, guys, fresh food. Literally made fresh in front of your eyes. You choose from here and they cook it for you. The chomps, the sticks, the meat, the sheiks, the fish, and here are the curries. After watching so much tempting food in front of your eyes, we couldn't wait to order and ran towards the menu card to order our food. So here we go, ordering our food. Let's see. While we are here waiting for our food, we thought to give you a small introduction and hi and hellos from my family to you. Friends, do you know the most hard part to visit a restaurant? What is it? It is the wait. Yes, the wait and the desperation to get your food served to you. And these are the sad faces of the people who are waiting for their food to be served to them. So as you can all see how sad we are and how impatient we are waiting for our food to be served to us. But as you know, fresh food needs time. It needs time to cook and then to be served to you. So friends, after waiting a while, our food was finally served to us. These are the lentil soups, which are complimentary starters, and it is one serving for each of the guests. Sometimes when we say the things complimentary, still people ask questions like, is this for free? So I would like to be clear for those people who would still ask me the same question, that complimentary, what complimentary? Complimentary means that the thing is on the owner, the restaurant. The restaurant is giving this free. It is not charging you for this. This is not included in your bill. It is on them. So complimentary means free. And now coming back to the taste of this lentil soup was 10 on 10. The texture was 10 on 10. The bread was freshly baked. After serving the starter soups, 10 minutes later they served us with the food we ordered. We basically ordered one serving of Kabuli pulao rice with chicken shish kebab and one Bukhari rice with chicken farm and a vegetable pizza for the kids. Friends, can you see how delicious this pizza looks? Look at the cheese, man, how cheesy this pizza is. Like, it was so tempting, so yummy, so delicious. The kids enjoyed it so much. We didn't even had the leftovers for the pizza. The kids ate it full, completely. And then the shish kebab, the Kabuli pulao, the Bukhari rice and the farm. All of them were super tasty, super delicious. But as I am a spicy food lover, so I would suggest, if you are a spicy food lover, then this place is not for you, as it was average in taste. Not too spicy, not too bland. Like, it was not totally bland food without any spices. No, it was good, but not so much spicy. It was average in taste, but it was yummy for an average spice loving person. I am super spice loving person, so for me it was a little less spicy. After enjoying this delicious meal, I ordered a mixed fruit cocktail to see how does it taste. So friends, it was 10 on 10 from me. Trust me, the texture, the thickness, the creaminess, everything was so good. You can literally feel the fruits in this smoothie cocktail. So friends, that's all for today. I hope you liked my video. If you liked and enjoyed my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and keep supporting me, guys. And for future reviews, vlogs, keep following me. And that's all on Al Johra Bukhari and Turkish restaurant. Till next time, bye and Allah Hafiz, guys.